friends, my name is Amy, your geography teacher. Follow me to have a great journey to the world of geography. Today's journey is going through the layers of the earth. First, to give me more energy, please subscribe my page and like my posts. Thanks so much. If you are ready, let's go. Okay, look, this is our earth. See friends, I also made a tiny globe for you. Generally, we have 4 layers of the earth. The earth is composed of 4 different layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Okay, friends, let's start with the first layer, crust. The crust is the layer that you live on, exactly here. Earth crust is like the shell of a hard-boiled egg. It is extremely thin, cold, and brittle compared to what lies below it. The crust is made of relatively light elements, especially silica, aluminum, and oxygen. It is also highly variable in its thickness. Under the ocean and Hawaiian Islands, it may be as little as 5 kilometers thick. Beneath the continents, the crust may be 30 to 70 kilometers. Along with the upper zone of the mantle, the crust is broken into big pieces. These are known as tectonic plates. These move slowly at just 3 to 5 centimeters around per year. It is a slow ride, but it makes for exciting time here on Earth's surface as earthquakes and volcanoes. Okay, the second layer is mantle. Exactly here. At close to 3,000 kilometers thick, this is Earth's thickest layer. It starts a mere 30 kilometers beneath the surface. Made mostly of iron, magnesium, silicon, it is dense, hard, and semi-solid. Think caramel candy. Like the layer below it, this one also circulates. It just doesn't so far more slowly. Near its upper edges, somewhere between about 100 and 200 kilometers underground, the mantle's temperature reaches the melting point of rock. Geologists believe this weak, hot, slippery part of the mantle is what Earth's tectonic plates ride upon and slide across. This uppermost part of the mantle layer and the crust are known as the lithosphere. Let's continue our journey to the next layer, outer core, exactly here. Okay, this part of the core is also made from iron and nickel, just in liquid forms. It sits some 5,180 to 2,880 kilometers below the surface. Heated largely by the radioactive decay of the elements uranium and thorium, this liquid churns in huge, turbulent currents. That motion generates electrical currents. They in return generate Earth magnetic fields. Okay, ready to go to the last layer? This is the inner core. Here exactly. The solid middle ball has a radius of 1,220 kilometers, or about 3/4 that of the moon. It's located some 6,400 to 5,180 kilometers beneath Earth's surface. Extremely dense, it is mostly of iron and nickel. The inner core spins a bit faster than the rest of the planet. It is also intensely hot. Temperatures sizzle at 5,400 degrees Celsius. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Pressures here are immense, well over 3 million times greater than on Earth's surface. Okay, we got to the end of our journey. I hope you enjoyed the layers of the Earth journey with me. Have a good time.